Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. Now the steps are simple. There are two ways to go about this. We can go to our portfolio, or we can simply click on withdraw right here. For this video, I will simply tap on withdraw. Now, it will take us to the transfer screen, and let's say I want to send out USDC. Of course, we'll need to match the networks. So let's go to the platform we're sending to, and let's say we are using the ERC20. Acknowledge, copy the address, and choose Ethereum since this is the ERC20. Add an address. Now we just add a description, paste an address, add it in, and we'll have to confirm the address in an email that's been sent to us. The link is only valid for an hour, so that is enough time for a transaction. Now let's just enter the amount. In fact, you can also quickly buy these percentages. Let's just be mindful of the fees. And of course, we simply have to verify the address by using the link they sent in our email. And once that's done, we can expect the assets to go in about a minute or two. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.